I've got here a really simple InDesign document, and it's got a video just there which I've gone through File, Place, just put it in. I've got two buttons there which I've taken from the sample buttons, member buttons, sample buttons and forms, just drag them in. I've got some basic text over there to tell me what to do, and I've got another button down here which is forward, and that's just one page. And on the second page, which is the next page, I've got another button down there to go back. So this is just a very simple demonstration of how to put interactivity into buttons rather than the best looking example. So anyway, what we do for buttons, we want to add a feature for the video. So when we press the blue button, the video plays, and when we press the green button, the video pauses. So what we do is we select a button, go to the buttons menu, and by the way, this page has been set up for Interactivity, which is Windows Workspace Interactivity. So anyway, we open up the buttons menu from the side, and we see here that we have rollover states as default because these are sample buttons. Now, there's a video on that, linked to the description below. So we've got events. Now at the moment, the event on release or tap is going to a page, which is page 1. Now that's not what we want, so we can just unselect that. And we click on the plus button, and we say video. So a few options pop up, and we've got the video here. Now, there's only one video on the page, so quite obviously that's the one which appears. So we're going to leave it as that. The option is play. Straight away, that's what we have to do. Click on the green button, unselect go to page, select the plus icon, select video again. Then we can go for option is pause. You see there's other options there, you just choose whichever you want. So now we've created a pause play buttons in InDesign. Let's go to the next option, which is go to the next page, which is the button down here. Select that, go to buttons and forms again. Again, rollover state is quite nice. And we've already got an action, which is go to next page. Now, if we didn't have that already, we'd click on actions, it'd be go to next page, or next view, or whatever you got. But actually right now, it's completely fine. If you want to go to a specific page, like if you had a menu at the start, so you might say shopping, in a menu on your app, go to page 8 or whatever it is. We're going to leave that as it is. Let's go to the next page, page 2. If we click on this button here and check the buttons form, I can see that's going to previous page is already a state in here. Again, you can just choose whatever you got there, but some buttons have an already built-in version. So right now, pretty much sorted. Let's go and check this out. Go to File, Export, and go to desktop. I'm going to just call this test. And in format, you want epub fixed layout. That means that where you place things on the page, they're going to stay there and not move around. So epub fixed layout, and click save. I want to do all pages because I'm doing the whole thing, but you can do arrange like with any other document. Remember this is epub 3, but that's fine. Now, the cover of your epub is going to be just rasterize the first page. You can design your cover a bit like a book cover, and you can go to choose image and do it custom, but I always rasterize the first page. If you're just doing a test or coursework, it's completely fine. There's no extra credit for using a different front page to your ebook. Anyhow, navigation table of contents don't really need because it's just one item, and again, it's an example of coursework. So everything here is fine. Click OK. So that's now going to be exporting. Let's think about that. And here is iBooks. So iBooks is the best EPUB reader I have, and I don't think there's anything better so far. If you want to find a different one, then there's a whole link in the description below. So anyway, let's test it out. So got rollover states here. Click play. What we're going to do in this exercise is go through and pause. What we're going to do, pause. Remember, if you click play many times, then you just, in this case, are starting again. So you need to have a stop button in there, but that's a different thing altogether. Now maybe you can design a little bracket down here. Now each of these rollover states of the video are buttons individually, so you can create symbols. There's a whole lot of different options there. So you can be very creative with this. Next page, got rollover state there. click that, goes to the next page, and click back. So that is the real fundamental basics of adding actions to buttons. There's a lot more you can do. You can do different stations, different things, but that is the basics. Hope you find this useful.